are in Pisa, Italy, and we're crossing this beautiful, beautiful river on my right, and it stretches along my left, and we are walking to see the Lean Tower here in Pisa, and it's 19 minutes walk. So
Mama,
we're trotting these streets.
Mama,
Yes. Yeah, there's fish down there maybe. Anyway guys, we're in this street and we're heading towards the Lean Tower, so we have a good little walk to do, so that's what we're doing right now. Say hello, Sarah. Walking. And look at these two across the street. Look, they're across the street. Delaveaus. They're over there. Ty, say hello, Tyler. We already have ice cream. So though we did like about 17 minutes walk, the walk actually went fast, and we're approaching the tower right now, and you can already feel the tourist vibe. There's a lot of people in the street taking photos, and there's a lot of restaurants around, and the tower is behind this building here. So that's what we're approaching. There's lots of restaurants out here heading towards the tower. And of course, Italy is the land of pizzas and pasta. So there are pizzas everywhere, and the pizzas on everybody's plate, they are huge. And when you do pizzas, you do pizza like one pizza for one person. You see that? Menu, pasta, everything. Looks good. There we are going through.
Buongiorno.
Ice cream, gelato, gelato. Wow, what is this building? This white one? A cathedral. I think so too. A space. Ice cream shop. Lots of kids, probably a school trip. Pasta, pizzas to choose from. So many options. So many places to eat. Pick, choose, and refuse.
Dinner products.
Big butter. You want the big butter?
Wow, that's huge. Oh no, the rain! The rain is coming!
Look at the umbrella.
Oh no! Wow! Look! There it is! What a beauty! Oh my gosh! What a beauty! Look at that! Look at that! Ah! We made it! There it is! It's right there! Where are we to go to see Lean?
Towards the place. It's about to fall. So I think when you go there is the best.
Wow! Wait, hold this. Stay where you are. Tyler, take something off your head. Come. 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 Tyler, come. The rain not coming. Come.
먹으러 들어가는 길.
Because what is changed is when you look at the video,
It doesn't look lean.
it look clean in
Oh,
this
it does.
direction.
Wow, look at that. Babe! Oops, sorry. So we finally made it to the falling tower of Pisa, babe. Honey, we're here. And there's so many tourists, so much tourists. You guys look, as far as the eyes can see, there are people, and it's not summer, so you can imagine when it's summer. Tell me if you guys see the tower that is lean. It's lean to this side, to the right, which might be your left. So there you go. If you're in Italy, this monument is a beauty to see. Please. Alright, Pisa Tower visit is finished. Now it's time for dinner. We're gonna have something Italian. Ready for dinner, Sarah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, let's see. Where's the page? For the drink.
Here you have the cocktail.
Okay.
And here you have the drink.
No.
Yeah.
Thank you. The man of pina colada. Ta-da. Martini. Pina colada.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mama.
Yes, they have coca. You don't see on the list? I'm sure they have. Yes, they do. Coca here.
Papa.
And for Sarah, which drink? Sarah, what do you want to drink?
Raspberry.
Then,
Sarah says she wants raspberry. Look. Sarah says she wants smoothie.
Look, we're too red.
Okay. Get her something red drink. Lemon tea. Here, orange, apple, apricot. No, the bottom, right where your hand is, your finger is. What you getting for Sarah to drink? Grapefruit, tomato, pineapple.
What do you want that inside?
You can take pineapple juice for her. You want pineapple juice?
No, I want raspberry.
She want raspberry juice. There's no raspberry juice. There's none. Raspberry juice finished. You want the pineapple? Which one you want? There's pink. There's no pink juice. Little girl, stop doing that and don't let me stop you. There is no pink juice. You want apple juice? Okay, so you want water then. Very creamy, rum heat. It's more creamier than liquid. I like when there's a mix of both. It's more solid, but it's alright.
una Coca-Cola. ou on a pineapple?
Et toi, tu bois quoi?
Prosecco is a wine from Italy. Comme ça. Si tu en veux encore. Il y en a ici.
What happened?
His nose.
Blow it.
C'est le mouchoir, mais il est tout vide. Hein. Là, il est tout vide.
Sarah alone on the big carousel in the city. Hi, Sarah.
This is what I wanted to saw.
What you wanted to see? How fast it go?
No, I wanted
Hi, Sarah.
to see.
Look at the kids. Look at the kids with S, with a letter S.
Baby, it rocks. You see? We are checking into our hotel. What is the name of the hotel, Ty? San Ranieri. That's okay. What floor we're on?
Your bar is not closed.
That's okay. What floor we're on, honey?
Third.
Okay. Yes. Sarah, go in.
Number 3. Good job, Sarah.
Ah oui.
Don't touch anything else. Hand down. No, that's okay.
Make him press, 'cause it takes forever.
No.
Oui, c'est bon, Sarah.
No. Don't touch something.
And what number is our room? Wow, look at the terrace. You see that?
No.
Wow, look.
401.
Réveille. Elle va se montrer derrière toi.
Where's the exit?
Derrière toi.
Come take a look at the terrace.
Go, Sarah, go.
You can't see it.
Mm-mm. Huh? Interesting. So it's supposed to say, no sir, this room stylish, but okay, fancy. Wow. Okay.
I told you.
So where's the third bed? Okay.
Mama.
All right then.
Mama. Look. I want to take off my shoes.
All right, everybody getting comfortable, you guys. Yes, Sarah.
I want to take off.
Yes, you can take off your shoes. All right, you guys, giving you a quick tour of the room.
Here is
So
the
the light
TV.
is not so bright, and the room is giving what it's supposed to give. So we have the kids' space here. Tyler is already showing y'all outside with the view from upstairs. All right.
Allow the adults room.
Ah,
At the top.
wow, I like it. Well, 4-star, giving 4-star vibe.
And Sarah smelling the flowers in the living room.
Okay then.
Wow.
You like it, Sarah?
My second favorite hotel is this one.
Yes, I'm gonna take off my shoes.
My second favorite hotel.
I didn't even realize it's carpets, my favorites. Okay, show me the bathroom. I'll let Papa lead.
Yeah, the next house bath.
Where's the light? But watch, touch. Okay, wow, look at the bathroom. Okay, typical Italian to wash your butt. That's not to wash your face, it's to wash your butt. It's to wash your butt. Wow, it smells nice, and with the robes. Oh, and it smells so good in here. And they give you
I would
slippers.
give this a 5 stars.
Ooh, and the shower.
Mama?
I love it.
Mama, my second favorite hotel is this one.
If I was staying here for longer than one night, I would be very comfortable.
Mama, guess what's my favorite hotel?
What's your favorite hotel?
It's the one in Mexico.
Really?
Yes.
This one is nicer.
No, this one and this one is
This one is nicer.
Mama, look at the mirror.
Look at you.
It's not your bed.
Alright, you guys, so that's a real quick look at our stay for the night. And everybody is getting comfy. Everybody is loving their space. I am tired. And I am going to sign out for the night. We had an amazing time in Pisa. We had an amazing dinner. Now the hotel top it off. Top notch. You guys, look at the technology of this space. That's a TV, y'all. That's the TV. And this is storage space. And this is closet here. Upon entrance, and the bathroom that I showed you earlier. Everything is so beautiful, technology filled, and I love it.
Mama?
Yes, Di?
Just to tell you, we're in Pisa Tribe.
I know we are in Pisa. All right, say good night.
Good night.
Sarah, say good night.
Good night.
Honey, say good night.
Good night.
We are signing out for another vlog. Hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one, because we have a next day here tomorrow, so of course I'm gonna try and vlog that too. So deuces, love you guys, see you guys in the next vlog.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.